Step 13. We have to mount the rear arms. Long wheelbase, so pay attention at the position like this or like this, short, long. So we have already this one, we have to work on the other side. So 1 and 2. This is long. If I make this shorter, 3. I don't use grease because with sand, combined with sand, grease and sand are not good for the pieces. Et voilà. Next is 14. Cut. This has to go here and here. And then now we have different screws. And then 2 AMA1. Okay. 15. Front lower arms. We have to put this vertical and then squeeze inside, vertical, push inside and turn on. 1 and 2 in the middle. Okay, then we have to put this over with 2 screws, and then these 2 that I have to mount with a screwdriver. This is 17. 17, the wheel hubs, no problem at all. 1, 2, ball bearings, sealed ball bearings, remember. And tack 1, tack 2. 18, we have to mount this. In 18, there's a warning here if you want the car higher or lower. This is a rally car, so we want it higher, and you have to go to page 18. Page 18, now I show you. Page 18, you have all the different. First we have made long wheelbase, ground clearance. It depends from the way you mount this. We want this high. Here side, and the other one under. Like this is perfect. 1, 2. One, 2. Okay. Perfect. Okay. First thing, these 2 here inside in the diff. 1, check, find the position, and 2. Then ball bearings on the wheel hub. one, and this here in. Now this has two different positions. This is for the high chassis and this is for the low. So if you put this part stays up. I need to stay down. So this is the way. One screw. Well done. Then the axle. First here, then turn until you find the right position. Okay. This arm down, and now the other screw. You have to do the same work on the other side of the car. This one. Okay. Next, we have to mount the dampers. This one. This time, I think that I will mount them upside down in order to lower the center of gravity. So, here and here. These are the screws I have to use. Okay. I love upside down dampers. Then I have to find a good look. We have to mount this here. Trick, track, 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 track. Okay, I use the hole near the center as I have more steering. Then washer one, I think it is this one. Okay, MB6 washer one, here it is. Good. Then this is the sponge. Where do you want me to put it? Here, there's this sign. Tack. It's a little bit long. Cut it. Then the radio. Yes. This is the sponge I've made. Now we have to put this inside the tire. So we begin. Random to put it inside. Okay. Now you see it's not in order. Then we have to lift the side of the tire and to put inside the sponge, as well as we can. You have to stretch it well. Okay. Quite good. Then we put on the wheel by this way, then the middle, then we turn aside. Check that it is exactly inside the wheel. I don't use glue, it's not necessary by now, and so it's easy to change the tire if you need. You have to do the other three.